She rises through the morning mist, a sentinel of stone, where goldenrod and cedar grow on granite all alone. The sun ignites her forest crown, the streams begin to hum. Through chestnut, oak, and laurel thick, the forest songs are sung. Oh, Cedar Knob, she stands so tall, cradle of the ancient call. With moss and fern and granite bones, she guards the trails we walk alone. Red cedar, golden moss, she knows stories etched in weathered stone. Cedar Knob, you sacred spine, you hold this mountain soul in time. The glade is rare, the dome is true, with rock shag lichen's dusky hue. 1,000 roots, entangled grace, hold every ridge in firm embrace. Service berry rounds its leaf, the whispering wood speaks soft belief. No human hand could ever frame the glory of her quiet flame. Here walk the ones who came before, Colsetzi, honey lore. They named the trees, they carved the path, they drank the springs, they knew the math. And now we walk a newer line, still learning how to read the signs. For every root beneath our boot reminds us where the truth takes root. Oh, Cedar Knob, she stands so tall, cradle of the ancient call. With moss and fern and granite bones, she guards the trails we walk alone. Rare dome above and spring below, where red tails ride the winds that blow. Cedar Knob, your name we sing, mountain mother, forest king. And when the rains fall through the leaves, before the sun returns to weave its golden veil upon the land, she waits in stillness, proud